Anyways, welcome back. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to use Adobe Photoshop Elements because, I also got to teach you to use that, and I also beat a hanger on accident. Okay, so I'm going to look up, we're just going to look up, the taco. Just fun, I'm gonna use this taco. I'm gonna copy this in taco, and I've created an image. So how you create an image? New blank file. I use this. What I use, how you save a preset is you hit save preset, then you name the preset whatever the heck you want, then you can name it like this. This is the best preset. This is the preset that I use all the time. My finger. I'm going to not create this because I already have a document created. And that is the text tool. I'm going to paste my taco in. Boom, it's a beautiful taco. But you see, I'm going to be a different boy, and I'm going to actually delete the insides of the taco. Oh, we're just going to come around like this, and then you see the insides of the taco. Oh, my finger, it's so itchy. And then you can just go goodbye, and then just get rid of that. Then now, you know what? My channel banner, let me get that in. Let me look at my desktop for photos, because I know I have some of those. So what's some stuff I've photoshopped before? This is an example of what you can do with Photoshop. I'm going to teach you guys how to create this. This is TPU Syrup Pie. This is a joke I had once. I tried making a YouTube channel called TPU Syrup Pie. I quit after 2 videos, and don't look it up, please. This is a beautiful logo for TPU Syrup Pie. I'm gonna teach you guys how to make this. We're gonna create it on moisturized tacos. Is the best. I don't know. That was just some dumb joke. So I'm gonna look up T series logo images. I like. Oh wow, that's cool. I'm gonna take this one because I like it. So I'm gonna paste it in. I'm just gonna grow it a lot. And boom, and it is good, pretty good. Probably move this thing over a teensy bit so it's like centered. There, so this thing is now in the center. So then I'm going to take this tool, it's called the color picker, it's right under this, and I'm going to, I'm going to color this. I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to pick this, and then I'm going to come to the T, and I'm going to make sure I hit Control Z to undo. I'm going to make sure I'm on the T series layer. I'm just going to draw over the T. I'm sorry if I ever made this beautiful logo. And the series, I'm just going to keep there for now. So now I'm going to look up a PewDiePie face. I'm just going to look up PewDiePie. Images. I don't know the image that I used on I think I used this image, but I'm going to use this image. Then I'm going to select this tool so I can know that then I'm going to paste this in. So I'm going to drag it. Boom, beautiful. I'm going to take, apply. Hit apply, that just applies whatever the heck you just did. So I'm going to take the lasso tool. You know what? I'm going to take the lasso tool, but when you go on it, you're going to use this lasso. Now you could lasso PewDiePie's face like this. And then just fix it up after. That was actually some pretty good, but no, I don't like that one. We're gonna go here and we're gonna hit magnetic lasso. There's also this lasso, which basically just does this because I'm cool. I'm gonna get rid of that by Control Z. So I like the magnetic lasso because it'll try and find the colors of his face. And then you can fix it up after. Like, you see, this is what makes it look a bit more grainy when I'm like. On gonna remove this little part right here. I don't know why I thought that was a good idea to add. Let's see, he has some hair over here that the lasso didn't think to add. Then I'm gonna actually make it a bit more in depth. So, there, I think that's a pretty good face. So I'm gonna select it with this tool, and I now have PewDiePie's face. It's beautiful. I just surgically removed this face. Now I'm gonna Control C and then V. This layer is completely useless. I'm gonna grab hold of it. You can hit backspace, but I just find it easier just to drag it up to this trash can. But you can't even see it, right? Just move this over here. So you also have your layers panel. I think I forgot to mention that. To get the layers panel, if you don't like it, then you don't need to have it. But I like to have the layers panel here. Then I'm gonna select layer 2, and I'm gonna move layer 2 up here into this little trash can, and layer 2 is gone. Now I'm moving myself back up into the corner. Boom, this looks actually ugly now that I finished it. I just noticed I forgot like a huge portion of his down face. Sometimes when you've taken it out, it doesn't look completely right.
See, my phone's all messed up. I use 75% of my monthly data.
Cool. There we go. I fixed the Photoshop on his face. Never, it's good enough. This isn't, and then just tilt it until you're happy there. That's good. But then we're gonna need to get rid of this too, so that's on the background layer. I'd select it on this layer again, and then the crud. And get rid of him. Now I'm going to take my text tool. I'm going to just create a text box like this. I'm going to write TPUSeer pop. And that's not in the text font I want. So I'm just going to highlight and delete it. Now I'm going to come here and I'm just going to select it. I want it in a white. I'm going to come over here. I'm just going to select white, and then I'm going to TPUSeer pi. And then I'm just going to expand it. I'm going to take this. I'm going to decrease it to like 40. I'm going to take this. I can't really decrease the quality, which would be what I would need to do. Now next. Okay, so now that I've done that, next I'm going to come. No, where am I going again? Right here. No, right here. Hit Create Work Text. Now I'm going to go to Style, and I'm going to hit Arc. It's created an arc like that. Then we're just gonna bend it to the desired height. Okay, I'm going to increase the size down a teensy bit, and I'm gonna increase it back up. And then there. Then we can further expand it out here to the correct proportions. And there, you've made yourself a professional TPUSeer Pi logo. Yeah. This is only 8 minutes into the video. I need to get that sweet ad revenue, even though I can't make money from ads. File. New. Blank file. Amazing tacos. Subscribe. There, that's how you spell subscribe. What I use. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys how to make my logo. That water taco. I think that's really cool. So I'm gonna go on the internet and I'm gonna grab a taco. Let me find this. We're gonna use this taco. This is a beautiful taco. You see this taco? It's really nice. Now we're gonna make it sink in water. I'm gonna grab some water. I'm gonna go to images. I know where images is. You see this? This is close to that thing. I'm gonna come here and I'm gonna paste it in. I'm gonna drag this layer above the other layer, and I'm gonna drag it out. It covers the entire screen. And then I'm gonna drag it in so it more fits the proportions of the screen. So this is just an easier Photoshop as the whole. On there. That's pretty good. Next, we're gonna make our water line. So I'm just kind of crack along like right here. And then I really only need to select like down this. Then I go to the water layer. I'm gonna come here, controls. Now I'm going to control C, but then I'm gonna backspace it, and then I'm gonna control V, and that gets rid of this. Now I have my water layer. This is very good, and I'm gonna just drag the water layer right here. So now there's another problem. I'm gonna actually silence these layers. No, I'm gonna silence them. Do not exist. This taco, it's cut up with a white background, so I'm just gonna come here and I'm just gonna grab it like this. I'm just gonna bring around here, and I am just going to come up. I'm gonna come here and then Control CV. Now I got myself my taco. This is a good taco. So the taco, we're gonna actually want to rise above this layer. Boom. No. Now the taco's about right here. So now we want it to be submerged by this one. This layer goes above this layer. Position it until you think it's about right. It's never gonna get exactly right. I don't know why. I'm gonna actually get rid of this entire thing. Control V. No. I'm gonna leave this here. Control C. I'm gonna actually have always left the taco there. So this thing is never going to have moved. And then Control V. Oh my god. Backspace. And then Control V. This never moved, so it looks a teensy bit sketchy. And then I'm going to mute these layers. These two layers actually don't go there now. Just, oh my god, why? Muting these layers, you do not exist. Don't worry. Then now we take the taco and then we just come around the edges. And we can do this. This is very bad. And then like this. And I'm going to have to add a teensy bit here. I'm going to take this. Get rid of it. Boom. Beautiful taco. Put it about right there so I can see how much is going to be submerged. Then I'm going to mute. I'm going to drag this layer under. I'm going to drag this layer above. You guys can't see what I'm doing there, but and then I'm just going to shrink this taco down a bit so it looks more submerged. How you drag around layers. Put myself over here. Just kind of drag the layer that you want to drag around, and then you can only move them up, but actually you can't move them down. It's just, okay, there. That's how you move around layers. Okay, now this is pretty good. It's a sunken taco. The taco's sinking underneath the water. What I want to also do is I want to come here. This is another good tool. You see, you have this one, which actually it just kind of blurs stuff up. So you see, you could actually blur this taco up on the edges. Which I also gotta drag this up, which I'm actually gonna do like right along the edge of the water. But that size is way too big. So I'm gonna have to drag this down. And then I'm gonna have to come like this. Why isn't it working? Okay, never mind. I don't know what the heck that does. Never used it before. Color replacement. This will replace the colors with, you see right now it's like white, so it's like changing the colors. So basically I'm just gonna kind of select like right here, color replacer, go on the taco, and color replace the edge of the taco. And I'm just gonna drag like right along the edge of the taco. There, color replacement. Color replacement can also be used for this. This is a good Photoshop. So if you look up meet the red Me and my dad were having this dumb joke where we were pretending we were like the red team. So you see this image, you see we had this image. If you drag this image onto here, and then you see where we're in a war over over the green team and red team. So this is the meet the red team. Good. But I don't want it to be saying meet the red team. I'm the green team. So I'm gonna drag this on here. So now I'm gonna take the color correction tool. I'm gonna grab the type of green I want. I'm just gonna drag it over, and I'm gonna color correct the background. Now, this is just meet the red team on a green background. So the background looks exactly the same, but I'm now going to change it to this, but that doesn't work. So what we're going to do is we're going to grab something like right in the center there, so it shouldn't be too obvious that I just draw it over this. Boom! It's color corrected. Now I'm going to take my text, take my font, I'm going to grab a font. I'm going to grab a font that I think looks somewhat like it. These are fonts that I've used recently. And it's going to be in that font color, so I'm going to make it white. I'm going to make it white. Green team. Drag, and then like boom, and meet the green team. I'm just gonna tilt it a bit, and boom, meet the green team. And then you use File, Save As, meet the green team dot, and then you're gonna want to change your thing from Photoshop to any of these. I like PNGs, save. Okay, I'm gonna go here, and where is it? And it's right here. I'm going to set as desktop background, and so much better. If those red team jerks are, I can go. Hope you guys all enjoyed that. It's another video that I'm gonna have to edit. Maybe I could do an editing tutorial on this crud now. Boom. Wait. Okay, I want a side-by-side tutorial. A side-by-side view. I want the old green team thing top right here, and the old red team thing right there. Editor, do it now. Boom, it's beautiful, lovely. Oh my god, okay, the red team's gonna be on the bottom. The green team's here. Okay, hope you guys all enjoyed. I'll see you guys on the next video. Can just make sure to like, subscribe, for let me continue doing what I'm doing. And I've noticed it's about right. It's hard to point. Okay. Right there. See where my finger's pointing? It says green dot. It's so annoying. So I hope you guys will enjoy. Make sure to like, subscribe, and enjoy my content so I can continue doing what I've been enjoying recently, which is photoshopping this masterpiece. But yeah, whatever. Meet the green team because we're better than the red team. I made a decent amount. I actually have an Adobe Photoshop folder. These are all my photoshops. Captain Communist. This is one of my favorite photoshops. It's Captain America, but the communist thing. Let's close that now before I get demonetized. Black, but I know what this is. This is a really good Photoshop. This is a chicken nugget pig. That's the chicken nugget pig. Just in case you didn't get it, that's the chicken nugget pig. He's very beautiful. You should totally like and subscribe, and I'll make that my thumbnail for a week. Yeah. Cancel. I'm just not gonna throw it back. Hope you guys all enjoyed. I'll see you guys on the next video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and watch the rest of my videos. There's only one at a time. And if you don't subscribe, my sister's pig that's right near my desk will kill you. Hope you guys all enjoyed.